Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad and I applied before for NSFC and this year also I tried. So I tried to explain some of parts in the application system. Hope it might be helpful for everybody. So from start, we have to log in from the login page like everybody know DG. So when you log in, the page, and these days most of the time the system is down for DJ. Okay, the first page when you log in, it seems like this. So you can just right click in the page and translate to English, so you can see personal achievement, basic information, research, resume, and RFIS. Here we have to open the application from this page, but from before RFIS application we need to add papers, monogram, conferences, everything that we need in a resume and the application system. We have to add in the personal achievement page. When we click the personal achievement page, it will open in another page. So, and basic information, when you click, you have to fill up the information based on your own institution, email, passport, etc. So this one also can be like this. So I think everybody know how to handle this part. But the part which is a little bit confusing is personal achievement and resume. Resume is important because in the application here, if you see in this part, you have to upload the resume. So this should be the suitable one. If not, it won't be able to upload. Also, result plan, you can download the template, and also you have to convert the things in PDF and upload. Budget plan also, I hope everybody knows. So download the template or your own and then have to convert to PDF and upload. Attachment, you have to attach various things like representative papers that you have to mention in the CV, and agreement from your institution, statement of ethical review. In my case, I have added animal ethical, biosafety and other required things. So this is the attachment part in the application. This is easy and I think everybody can handle. So this is the CV, how I already open. So how you can open this page from here. When you click the resume section, in this part you will see create resume. When you create, you have to click the common class, like RFIS one apply for the common class. So you have to must choose the common class, and then you give some name, for example Ahmad or resume or something like this. And when you click next, it will open in another page. And the other page that I'm talking about is like this one that I already opened. So here you have to add your educational background in the first part, and then you have to add postdoc, like you have done postdoc. I didn't, so I add none. And if you got some funding here, and this part you can add NSFC funding if you have some. And this part you can add some fundings that you have as an PI. Like you can read every part, then you can, I think, easy to handle. And the two last part here, you can see you have to add 5 representative papers, no more than 5 items. So here I added 5 of my representative papers. And this part you can add your conferences, monogram or something related. But there is a thing, like I already mentioned before, that the papers, conferences, monogram or patents that you have, you should add to the achievement page. This is the personal achievement page. I already mentioned before. Here, this page, from this page you have to open the personal achievement page, and this is how the personal achievement page opens. So then you have to add achievement either manually or third party. In third party, you have a scholar-made. If you have a scholar-made profile, which is a similar kind of profile like that of ResearchGate, from here you can add papers that you already have in scholar-made, or you can manually add an input from here. For example, paper. Then you can, if you click the papers, you have to fill up these sections, and then monogram or research award or anything that you want to add. When you save, it will be shown here in this part, and when it is added here, then in the CV section you will be able to add. For example, if I want to add representative publication, when I click this plus button, it will be shown here like these are my papers that I already added in the achievement section. So I can add any paper that I want. For example, I want to add this one, and then when I click this button, it will automatically add it to my resume. Or if I have a conference here, like I added a conference, I can add a conference as well if I have added. So this is how it works. Like here I can add only 20 items, so the conference is not shown here in this part. So you can add the things in the CV where you have added in the achievement section. And when you have added enough items in the resume, for example, I added one, I didn't select any, so it will give me an error. I added one, and then you have to save. This button, if you translate, this means save. You don't have to forget the save button. If you don't save, it will not be saved. So when you log in again, you will create a new one. And when you finish all the parts, don't forget to create or submit the resume, either in English or Chinese. When you click the submit button, save. If you click the submit button, the CV will be shown in the CV section, and you can download. For example, I saved some CVs. Here you can see the one that I just made it is saved here, and I can just download. Share means download, or you can just copy. So you can copy the CVs that you created, and then you can use that in the section that I already mentioned before, in the RFIS section, this part. So this is how the system works. Hope it's helpful for everybody. If still have some problem, can ask in the group.